Hello, here's number 15 off of page 195. F of x is equal to x times x minus 4 to the power of 3. We need to find the points of inflection and discuss the concavity of the graph. In order to do that, we have to find the second derivative of f. So we're going to start by finding the first derivative here. Okay, so f is we got to use the product rule. F equals x. G is going to be x minus 4 cubed. F prime is 1. G prime is 3 times x minus 4 to the power of 2. So product rule, we get x minus 4 cubed plus x times 3 times x minus 4 squared. Simplify that. Okay, now we're gonna use the chain rule and product rule here. Find f double prime. Okay, so we're going to let f be 3x. G is going to be x minus 4 squared. F prime is 3. G prime is 2 times x minus 4. So we have 3 times x minus 4 squared plus 3x times 2 is 6x times x minus 4. You can simplify this. Whoop. Okay, so what we're going to have to do here is FOIL. Okay. X minus 4 times x minus 4 is x squared minus 8x plus 16. So you have that. Keep simplifying. Combine your like terms now. You get 12x squared minus 72x, and you get 48, and 48 is plus 96. All of those are divisible by 6. They're also all divisible by 12. Divide everything by 12 here. 96 divided by 12 is 8. Okay, factor it. So now we need to, I was setting it equal to 0 because we have to figure out when f double prime of x is equal to 0 to find our inflection points. So when the equation is equal to 0, we have possible points of inflection. So that's why I set equal to 0 here. So now we have to solve this. That's going to be x minus 2 times x minus 4 equals 0 if you factored it. Okay, negative 2 plus negative 4 adds up to be negative 6, and then negative 2 times negative 4 is 8. So x equals 2, x equals 4 are possible points of inflection. We're going to use those. So now we make our table. We have intervals, test number, sign of f double prime of x, and then our conclusion. So our intervals, they're going to be from negative infinity to 2, 2 to 4, and then 4 to infinity. So the values we're going to check are going to be 0, 3, and 10. Okay, your test numbers have to be inside the interval. So now we know that f double prime is x squared minus 6x plus 8. So if we were to put in 0, we'd get 8. F prime of 0, or f double prime of 0 is 8. So it's positive, and therefore concave up. If you were to put in 3, you would get 9 minus 18 plus 8. 9 minus 18 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 8 is negative 1. That is negative. And therefore concave down. Lastly, if you put in 10, you would get 100 minus 60 plus 8. 100 minus 60 is 40. 40 plus 8 is 48. That's positive. Concave up.